Blitz inspections targeting different sectors in the Northwest Province continue, led by the Department of Employment and Labour, with the focus today in the Northwest Province on employment of undocumented foreign nationals. I'm joined by Deputy Minister Jomo Sibiya. Thank you so much and welcome to Newzroom Afrika. Quite concerning, when we arrived here, people started running away. Talk to us about what happened.
Indeed, it is quite concerning. What we saw today is really upsetting, and it's saddening. It's something that we can't allow to continue in our country. We came to do our work as the Department of Employment and Labour, working with the police, Home Affairs and the municipality to come and check what is the status of the company in terms of compliance. Just when we entered the gate, about 70 of foreign immigrants whom we assume they are illegal because they ran away, they jumped the fence, and we can see that somebody tipped them off. And the manager who is running the company currently was with them, and he walked straight to us, which showed us that they are part of collaborating with these illegal foreign immigrants who are here. So it shows that our laws are really being undermined, we are being disrespected as the country. And sadly, it's another Chinese-owned company, which is manufacturing bricks here in Rustenburg in the northwest. So we have identified that there is quite a number of these companies. The owner of this company is owning quite a number of other companies within northwest and Rustenburg, and we are going to be focusing on them. Even beyond the issues of illegal foreign immigrants, we saw that when we asked them for all the compliance documents, whether it's UIF, whether it's compensation fund, and many others, the salary slip for employees, they couldn't produce a single document. And when we talk to employees, they are telling us that they are all earning below the minimum wage. And that is a super exploitation which we can't allow to happen in our country. And when you look at the noise level that people are exposed in, you can see that it's beyond the normal and acceptable noise levels. And that on its own is damaging in the ears of the hearing of these employees. They got to be damaged, and they will suffer forever. But again, the dust that we see in this company, not a single worker is wearing a mask. But again, there is mine dump that we see on the ground, which is a potential dangerous element which can cause silicosis sickness, which again is a no-go area that we can't accept. So it's very unacceptable what we have seen.
70 people ran away. What does that say with regards to the role of your sister department, and I'm talking SAPS in this regard?
Yeah, the issue of collaboration is what is going to give us results that we desire. Government needs to work together. And we have taken an approach in the department that we need to work with SAPS. They are at the center of the work that we do. We need to work with Home Affairs. They are at the center of the work that we do, but also the municipality at the local sphere. So this collaboration is assisting us to yield results, as you have seen yesterday, where 7 Chinese were sentenced to 20 years. But we need to do more. We need to find better ways of coordinating our work. Because what we saw today means that we must be proactive, we must be very agile, and be able to foresee what might happen when we go to these companies. Because if we planned properly, we should have cordoned the area on the backside. But let me be honest, it becomes difficult to know everything within the company. You can see they took a forklift and put it next to the fence so that these foreign illegal immigrants can use it to step in and jump outside the fence. So they have quite a number of strategies that we are learning every day. But the importance of collaborating with other sister departments and the other spheres of government is very important. It's what will give us results. And as government, we can't continue working in silos.
I know you've touched on it, but just before I let you go, your reaction to that court ruling yesterday against 7 Chinese.
That is a victory. That puts smiles on our face. It energizes us. It makes us to see the reason why we must continue working hard. The judge yesterday affirmed what we always say, in particular when it comes to the employer. Right now, when we came here, the owner of the company is not here, the senior manager is not here, but the third in charge is here. So the judge made it clear that the person who is playing the role of an employer at that particular time becomes an employer. That assists us. But beyond that, it was for the first time where issues of labor are taken so serious. People are sent to jail, straight to jail, for undermining labor laws and undermining immigration acts, undermining human trafficking and kidnapping and all those things. 20 years is not just a child's play. Those people are going to be there for the next 12, 13 years before they are considered for parole. But beyond that, we are saying it's sending a strong message to any employer who believe they can continue being non-compliant, abusing our people, treating our people as slaves, not in South Africa, not in our country that was fought for tears and blood and sweat and everything. Ours is to make sure that we continue enforcing the law.